Mizoram hi India ram har chak Myanmar le Bangladesh kar che kan nia Mizoram mi pui hi tuna hianin noi so pathum vel ni in record ani
Ina ma hi sor khan na thok ani na wang hian tlemin hun te nei lo thina ma se a hobby ni miu wang hian hei hi chu na ki na poi pension hnuwa po I hobby hi chu I kal tlang pui tur ani wangin I le in chhir lo wang tin ka fui po ka fui na cha thin ani chu tu na po hian a pension hnuwa po thil ti tu thui ta kala nei ti hi ama po hian in train ta dia.
I've known MS since 2008, and when I went to his workshop, given the limited amount of tools he have, I was quite surprised, and I say to him, whatever you need, we'll source it and we'll make the best. When we received the information from the company, the first thing that came to my mind was what type of build should we go for? Maybe like scrambler, bobber, chopper. We have done so many in the past, and we had a long discussion with MS. We didn't have any modern tools, not just even a good amount of space, but we don't let that pull us down. We put our blood and soul into every build that we come across. I think that's what makes our build unique also. Classic Reborn is an awesome bike. It's nimble, fast, and it's very easy to maneuver in the traffic as well. We loved its original design, so we do not want to move too much away from it, and that's when our first concept of design comes in. We focus on a practical roadster instead of bobber or scrambler. We wanted something very practical for this build, so we did away from adjusting the rake. We elongated the swing arm and went with the retro tires. I think this is very true to the RE original concept. Due to the pandemic, our work got delayed and outsourcing becomes a problem, and building something within this short period of time, it becomes a big challenge for us.